Hi, my name is Yogev Shetrit. I'm from Israel. Are you ready for amazing day with us? So this project, Haiti-Israel, basically to create this connection in 2017 in Kazakhstan. So from the first time we met, we felt like the good vibe and good energy. And Steve told me about this amazing festival, and he connected with me and Joel, and we start to do this process. I really like this culture, I really like this music, I really like the vibe, the energy of the people. I really fall in love with this festival and with these amazing people.
Have a good show.
If you like the music, you can buy 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. If you don't like the music, you also can buy the music, the CD, and give it to someone who you don't like. So it's like, okay.
My dream is that also SMS Kreyol and also this project will come to Israel and play together. I'm very excited to be here again, to meet amazing people like you and everyone here. And of course, thanks so much for the PapJazz festival that host and invite and do everything with a good atmosphere and good energy. Yeah.